Hey, this is Eddie here with Dent, and I just want to show you something, the reality of working in a PDR shop and things that do happen, things go wrong. This is hands-on. Everything gets done by hand. It's not a mechanical system, so things do happen. So I just want to talk about making sure that you go to a good shop, somebody that's going to take care of you when things go wrong. Because they will go wrong. Things happen, mistakes are made, or just accidents happen, like in this case here, which I'm going to show you. This is a brand new GTI Volkswagen. It's got 6,000 miles. It had hail damage. We were dropping the headliner. We had to bring it down so we could fix the hail. Well, what happened is when the R&I guy was taking this off, they dropped their tool and hit the screen on the dash, and it chipped it. It used to be right there. So make sure that you have a reliable shop, so when things happen, they'll take care of it. They do happen, and luckily our R&I guy is very honest, and he came and told me that he did it, and that is great, because then we got it fixed without the customer, being, oh man, look at that. But instead, we just got to take care of it for the customer, and we have a super happy customer. And we did have to give the car back to him and then order this, and then he brought it back and we fixed it, but just because of wait time. But yeah, this car is awesome, and I just wanted to talk to people about that, because things do happen and I don't really see anybody talking about it, and that is the reality of working in a body shop, PDR shop, any hands-on industry. Problems happen, but we took care of that problem, and we got a really happy customer. So make sure that when you're taking your vehicle somewhere, you trust them, and that they're going to not only do a good job, but take care of problems when it happens. Thanks.